Hello, it's John with Riley's Uniques again. In this video, I am fixing the trim work and corners on this dresser, and also clear coating and double layering with paint. I'm using a black dog paint. The color is black dog and also dog bone. And I'll be doing a base black and the top coat with the dog bone with a layer. This dresser came with a broke and missing trim piece on the right side. The left side had the trim piece on it, but what I did to fix this, I removed the trim piece on the left side, and then I cut each corner off at an angle, and then I sanded it down to a smooth finish, and then applied my paint, and it made it to be more of a finished look. I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. To clean the dresser, I scraped the top off. It had melted wax and stuff on it, and then I sanded it off with 80 grit sandpaper, and then I finished it off with washing it with TSP to remove the gunk and any residue that may have been left on top of the dresser. This helps the paint to bond better. And this is after I applied my paint and washing on the cabinet. And I've done the same technique on the drawer. You can see my dry brushing with the dog bone color. Then I applied my clear coat with my Graco spray gun. And here you see the finished product. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to make a donation, I have a donation link in my description. You can donate whatever value you find in these videos to help me keep these videos going, if any. And I thank you for anything that you donate. Come back and see us, and I'll be posting more videos. Have a great day. Thank you.